Well, it's me and Bobo again. I'm sure everybody can tell where we're at. Y'all seen this place before. We're going hiking on the Vista trail today. And Bobo, he's already started. So it's a beautiful day. Weather's absolutely perfect. We're going to go enjoy ourselves. Got the backpack on, got a little bit of food, water, all the goodies that we need, and we're going to go take our time. Well, we hadn't even made a mile and I'm already having shoe problems. Hang on, you wait, sweetheart, that is a drop. Yeah, y'all gonna love this shaky video. We're going down there. Boy, that wind sure does feel good. Wish I had my trek pole. I'm going to show you something kind of neat over here. All the crazy kids come over here, carve their names in these rocks. See, Daniel, he's been here. Laura and Ted. Jew and Ben. I don't see no dates on none of this stuff, but I bet some of this stuff's been here for years. Over this way, baby. I can't believe I forgot my trekking pole. But if you starting to pee on every bush, it's going to make it for a long day, sweetheart. You can pee on all of them if you want to. Hey, hey. If you don't stay close, I'm going to have to put you on the leash, sweetheart. There's snakes up here. Bobo, wait, sweetheart. Relax. You got all day. All day and nowhere to go. Man, is that just absolutely wonderful? Okay. I'm getting old. I've said this 100 times, but I'm going to say it again. Sure wish I would have brought my trekking pole. But it's not even in the van, it's at the house. Forgot to do my checklist. Didn't bring the phone. I am out of shape. We're not going down that, baby. Boy, if you put a deer stand here, you probably never go hungry. I always bring this ribbon with me. Tied a piece right here. I hate leaving stuff like that. But I hate to say it, wasn't paying attention. I know where I'm at, but I always bring ribbon like that. I know exactly where I'm at, but I'm not quite sure which split to take. So I always, not unfamiliar place, bring ribbon with me. See, even from here you can see that ribbon moving. We just come off from the top of that hill right there. Not sure if y'all can see that ribbon blowing over there in the breeze. Keep me on track. I hate leaving stuff like that, but it's on the trail. People can use it for a marker. And that's good water. And I'm going to even let you drink that. In town, so many pollutions and oils and chemicals and everything else. I don't want you drinking nothing. I'm always getting on you. Drink all the water you want up here. Boy, it's nice over here. They've actually paved it. Wow, look at this. They actually got pavement. Post oak. I'm not familiar with that. I don't think I've ever seen one of them. That's a happy face. Kind of funny. Longleaf pine stump. See, that thing's 200 years old and they burn it. I guess they lost control of the fire or something. But yeah, this is one of the nicer trails I've been on in a long time. We still got pavement. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like the natural But it is nice at times not to have to walk through a bunch of mud. You were thirsty. That is, that's pretty bad. I think I could actually use a stitch. Man. Yesterday, fall over the top rail of the lookout point. About broke my arm. About broke the tripod. Today, halfway on this trail, I split my finger wide open on a Vienna sausage can. You digging me a grave, Bobo? Don't write me off yet, sweetheart. It just won't stop bleeding. I mean, I guess it's good to be bleeding, but put some pressure on it for a while so you don't pass out. I don't feel good now. I really think I could use a stitch on that. I got a good first aid kit in the van. Forgot the phone, forgot the snake bite kit. I normally don't bring no first aid kit with me, because the one I got is so small. I mean, check out my homemade pink band-aid. My hands are shaking now. They like my homemade band-aid got there. Yeah, Bubba's walking a little slower here now. He's not running like he was. He's starting to get a little tired. He ain't no little puppy no more. We're both overweight. We haven't done nothing for the last 5 months. I've been off from work on a vacation, quote, vacation. And really, it's been a good time for me to get my head back together. Almost went crazy the last couple of years with everything going on. I really, truly, at some points, thought I was losing my mind. I was sick. I was sick for a long time. I didn't realize how sick I was. Am I leading now, Bobo? This is the first point of the trail that You all tired? You run twice as long as far as I have. Isn't that pretty and peaceful? Really surprised we haven't seen no deer, but again, as loud as we've been through here. I think we gotta go back up that thing. I think we gotta go around the little creek, back over to the left, kind of back up to the right, over this thing, down the other side, and over another one.